Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to get in touch with Google Ads support. You would think that I wouldn't need to make a video about this topic, but it's shockingly tricky to get in touch with them. So it's useful to see somebody navigate the interface and submit a support ticket quickly and effectively. So I'll show you how to do it. You go to Help. And then from here, it'll open up this menu on the right. One of the issues with figuring out how to get in touch with support is the contact us option is not immediately available. You've got to actually scroll down for it to come into view. That's one of the first things. The other thing is it's really small. So you click contact us and then type in your question. Let's say policy appeals problems. So you go to next step. And then here's another step where a lot of people fall off. You've actually got to click one of these options in order for the next contact us step to appear. We'll go with add disapprovals as an option. And then you click this button, next step. So from here, you'll choose the account you want to use. We'll go with our Interteam MCC account. Click email, which is the only option right now. Depending on the time of the day, the amount of ad spend, and the amount of time that an account has been active for, you might have a chat option or a call option. The best way to get issues resolved quickly is via call. The slowest resolution option is definitely email. Unfortunately, email is the only option I have right now, so it's what we will choose. So then you go down here, choose your name, choose the company name that you're going to be using. We'll just say Interteam. Make sure you upload any files that might be relevant to the case, and then also check off the option. In our case, it's going to be ads. Have you used self-service appeal? Yes. These are all policy-specific options. Usually you won't have these. Put the ad group and the campaign name, and then under summary of the issue, you want to be really specific about what the problem is, the exact campaigns that are having issues, the exact ads, the exact keywords. Be really precise and upload screenshots, because if you don't, Google will push it back to you. And it usually takes at least 2 to 3 days to get an email response from them. So if they send an email asking for clarifications, you're probably looking at a week in order for the issue to be resolved. You always want to choose call me and put your number in there. Usually there's an area that says the preferred time. Choose your hours. Otherwise, most support staff are in India, so they'll call you like in the middle of the night. It's great. And yeah, once everything's filled out, just click submit and you're good to go. The last point of advice that I would like to give is never rely solely on Google Ads support. Oftentimes, the support staff are not actually knowledgeable about the platform, and you're going to have a quicker and probably more effective resolution if you research resolutions on your own and make changes to the ads yourself. It's always good practice to submit a support ticket while you're making these edits. So this is how you do it. Sweet. And if you have any questions or have a specific policy related issue you're dealing with, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me a message on LinkedIn. Thanks.